Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CareCredit for medical payment financing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the CareCredit website. Locate the Apply button on the home page. Click the Apply button to begin the application process. Fill out the required personal information fields. Enter your name, address, and date of birth accurately. Provide your social security number for identification purposes. Include your total annual income in the designated field. Select your employment status from the provided options. Review and confirm your contact information. Proceed to the next section to review financing options. Choose a preferred healthcare provider if prompted. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a response regarding your application status shortly. If approved, you will receive your CareCredit card in the mail. Follow any additional instructions provided with your card. Present your CareCredit card to your healthcare provider for payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.